There's a man in town that calls himself Fat Bastard, and he gives free walking tours. And I'm about to go join him.
My name's Waylon Hedegaard, aka the Fat Bastard, or Walking Fat Bastard, or whatever you want to say. This whole thing started as an idea a week and a half ago about showing people a couple murals, and I expected 4 people to show up. And 25 showed up the first day, and then last week we did a grand total of 51 people. And now obviously we have more. So, my previous life, I was a construction worker. I worked for a union most of my life. I ended up being the president of the AFL-CIO in North Dakota. 2 years ago, a year and a half, we sold every single thing we own, and we moved to Mexico. This walk is 3 miles long. You can drop off at any time. I am not charging for this. We should really try to give back to our communities as much as possible. So I really ask you to spend as much money as possible outside the major Comers, bodegas, and Sorianas, and buy things at your local things. Buy things at your local tiendas. Buy things where the money will actually spread out as much as possible. If you feel like giving money, I believe we are here looking at artists for the most part. Any money that I get will go directly to the artist. That's the best commentary you're going to get from me.
What a fun walk. We went through all kinds of different neighborhoods in San Miguel that showcase street art. Some of these pieces were amazing. If you enjoy walking and you like street art, look up Fat Bastard. Waylon. He's a great guy, and he does this for free. He raises money for charity, and so it's all for a good cause, and it's a good time to have. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please don't forget to subscribe. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Antigua Capilla, and click on the like button below to follow us on YouTube.